Alright, so I have seen this question a few times. I specialize in VFX, so this is a little more world. How do we make particles collide with stuff? Alright, so first of all, this will be real quick, so we're just going to make Niagara system, and we'll make any kind of Niagara system. It doesn't really make a difference, right? Explosion, we could do upward mesh, we could do this little bouncy guy, directional burst. I think what we'll do is do a burst. That seems like it'll. Alright. So we got this little radial burst, right? You can see the particles fall through the map. It doesn't make sense, right? Alright, cool. So how do we correct that? Well, first, let's open this up. And in this particle system, the directional burst, it's made up of three components, essentially. You have the trails, you have the actual emitter, so the burst, you have the ribbon trail leader, so that's like the little fall off deal, and you have the ribbon trail follower, so see the little followers go down. So how do we make them collide? It's really easy. Particle update, type collision. With these settings, they pretty much stay the same depending on what your goal is here. So our directional burst, we add particles. You can see they hit the ground. If we reset ground and have a little bounce. However, the trails, you'll notice, still go through. So we're going to then say trail follower or the trail leader. So the leader can have collision. Go ahead and save that. Let's see what happens. So now our trail leader, see, followers automatically follow the leader. Just bounce. That's it. That's as simple as that to add collision to a particle. So you can do some real cool things with this. And you can also, under collision, make them so that way they try to get this a little bit so we can see it. So they have collision type. So we have traced and we have, so you can literally make them so they don't follow certain objects or they don't collide with certain objects. So the easiest way to do that is to go to, if I remember right, it's settings, project settings. There's a tab for collision. And then you can add yourself a new collision trace channel or object channel. They both generally the same thing. You can name it something like collider. And then you can go in and set it on your particle system, and it will not collide with certain objects. Pretty cool. I don't want to make the video long as it needs to be, so that is collision in a nutshell for particles. Cool.